Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well.
Welcome back to my channel. I am kashiajabre, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed and styled my hair. Today's video is sponsored by Alipearl hair, so thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. This hair is amazing. You guys will see more about it later on in the video, but all the links on the hair will be listed in the description box, and if you want to purchase, I will have everything that you need down there. But if you want to see how I got this look, then you guys need to keep watching. Also hit that like and leave a comment to let me know what you guys want to see next. And also subscribe to my channel because my ass baby's lit. I'm lit. And if you subscribe, you could be lit too. And that's on period. So yeah, let's just go ahead and hop right into this video. I'm already knowing y'all ready to see it. Okay, so y'all, let's go ahead and get into curling this unit. I'm curling it off my head to help with time and also to help the style look a lot neater because I am doing wand curls. So I'm going to take a small little section, and the wand curler that I'm going to be using today is the C-Salon Custom Wand Curler. You can find it on her website. This actually hits close to home because she's from my hometown. So hey girls, support her business. These wand curlers are bomb. What I'm going to be doing is taking a small piece of hair, and then I'm going to wrap it around the wand curler. And as I am wrapping it, I'm twisting it. And what this is going to do is create more of a spiral curl more than just like a barrel curl, because you guys have to remember, basically a wand is just a barrel. So if you just wrap the hair around there regularly, it's going to be a flat curl and it's going to fall like a flat curl. If you want it to have a lot more body and a lot more bounce and that spiral type of, I don't even know how to explain it. It's just like, it looks like a little slingy or something. If you want that look, you're going to have to twist the hair as you wrap it. So I hope you guys are following. I held it on for about 10 seconds each time, and the curls came out perfectly. So I would say 10 seconds is the sweet spot. If you want to hold it on longer, do what you got to do, girl. But I just wrapped that piece of section around every time for 10 seconds, let it go. I did that for the entire unit except for the frontal because I did not want to mess up any curls during the installation process. So that's another preference thing, but I just feel like it makes it easier on me to go ahead and style the back of my hair and then style the front of my hair after I install the frontal. I would also like to add that during this whole styling process with doing the wand curls, I did not have to use no product, not no oil sheen, not any hairspray, anything. When I tell y'all, the curls held up as well. They did not fall or nothing, and I did not use any hairspray. So yeah, that speaks for itself. Did y'all see those curls? Like, what? So now I'm just using a regular stocking cap, and I cut out the ear holes already, and I'm just going to be applying some Got To Be spray all over just to glue down that cap. And then I'm just going to cut all the excess cap off. This is going to be kind of like a speed glue, you know what I'm saying, type of situation. Same thing I do all the time. I got detailed videos. If you guys want to see it, I will list it in the top right corner. But here I'm just getting off all the extra cap because you don't want no cap sticking out from your wig. So make sure you cut all of that back. And then you want to use a powder or a foundation or a concealer. I prefer powder. So I'm using a powder that is similar to my skin tone. I'm just going to put that all over the wig cap to mimic a scalp. So I'm also going to be putting that same color on the lace of this unit. Speaking of the wig, this is their 24-inch body wave unit. This is also an HD frontal. So the lace on this unit was, of course, bomb as hell and thin as hell and so easy to lace. So here you guys just see me sizing it up, making sure everything is in the right place. And then I'm going to take some scissors and cut out where my ears are going to be. Only other thing that I did was bleach the knots. I did not have to pluck this unit at all. It already came pre-plugged. Now I'm just going to peel my lace back, and then I'm going to be applying some Ghost Bond glue. I'm going to be using 2 layers of this, and I'm just going to spread it out evenly all over my perimeter of where I laid the cap and where I want my wig to be. And I'm just going to smooth it out. Do not use your fingers. Actually, y'all, I saw somebody on TikTok the other day literally use their fingers to lay down the wig. So maybe my little theory about using fingers ain't so bad after all. I don't know. Maybe we're going to have to do a video where I do that. But after I lay that glue down, I'm just going to sit the wig on it. And then I'm going to apply a elastic band. I got my elastic band from Amazon, so I will link it in my description box. And then I'm going to take my blow dryer and go ahead and dry that until it's completely dry. And then I'm going to take off the elastic band and go ahead and cut the lace. So after cutting my lace, what I'm going to do is go ahead and part my hair down the middle. And then I'm going to take my hot comb and go ahead and flatten everything out because y'all know I hate a lumpy wig. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to only use some Got To Be spray to just help with all of the flyaways. Other than that, I'm still not going to use any other products. And then I'm going to start back wand curling the frontal. I'm going to be using the same exact curling technique that I used in the back of my head for the front. Nothing different here. Still not using any products. And I just find it easier to do it this way because during the installation process, sometimes the hair can get stuck in glue, or you know what I'm saying, you could cut a piece of hair. I don't want to deal with any of that. I like my hairstyles to come out clean, sleek, easy, you know what I'm saying. I'd rather just go ahead and glue the hair down and then style the frontal part. So you don't have to follow your girl word for word, bar for bar, but I just feel like it's easier that way. Yeah. After I'm done curling that side of my head, I'm just going to take my hot comb and just smooth out the top, make sure everything is laying flat and sleek. Okay, so y'all, this is how my hair looks. I am so in love with how it came out. Like, I'm really glad I decided to take my time and curl every piece because it really It looks good. It looks really good. Everything looks amazing, y'all. I love this hair so much. It's so thick and pretty and soft. I just put it in, so I can't really, you know, give you guys a review on how it is over time, but I will leave it in the comments because by the time this video is up, I will know like my final opinion on the hair, so I will include that. But y'all, right now I love it so much. It looks so pretty and I can't wait to take pictures. If you guys decide to use my technique to install your hair, or if you purchase this hair, try out this hairstyle, make sure that you tag your girl, let your girl know something. I want to see it. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to thumbs it up and also comment down below and tell me what you guys want to see next. And also subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you can be lit too. That's on what? That's on period. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.